So today, I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin. And let me tell you, something rather significant is coming for Bitcoin. And in this particular video right here, I'm going to explain to you exactly where I believe it's headed. And what you're currently observing right now, this is actually the Crypto-Quebec indicator, version 2.6. And it's showing something absolutely remarkable, truly mind-blowing stuff. So if you're interested in analyzing Bitcoin, you see, we take a look, and what we've done, we've bounced off of this indicator. We came up high again, we've come up to the very top of the indicator. We can backtest this. We can backtest it right here on the middle of the channel. We go back up, and then right here, we have a break of structure. We push upwards, we go all the way to the top. We make a new higher high, which, if you recall, reached a rather astonishing $100,900. We can backtest this again. Just look at the middle of the indicator, that white line that you're seeing there. We bounced right off of it, and then we pushed forward. Now, this new version, this version 2.6 of the Crypto-Quebec indicator, it's actually available for free on Discord. Let's just look at what it's telling us for the weekend. It's showing 90%. Now, 90% is almost the absolute maximum that you can get to aim for the absolute maximum profit, at 100%. But we're sitting at 90% right now. So there's definitely something big that's being prepared. And today, I'm going to tell you, in my professional opinion, precisely how far this is going to go. But if you yourself would like to acquire the Crypto-Quebec indicator, which, as I've mentioned, is completely free, you simply need to click down below the video, right there in the description. You click on the Discord link, and then you navigate over to the indicator section to get your hands on the Crypto-Quebec indicator. And beyond that, if you're looking to trade alongside me, you see right here, these are the bonuses that are offered depending on the platforms we utilize. I trade on these specific platforms for a few very important reasons. Firstly, they are entirely legal in Canada and also in Europe. Secondly, because they offer access to all the tokens that I personally wish to trade. And thirdly, and this is crucial, because the fees associated with them are genuinely the absolutely lowest fees within the entire industry. So if that interests you and you'd like to join these platforms, once you've finished watching this video, just send me a direct message. This is my